Alright, where we at, Titi?
We're at 2D Con Unplugged, which is basically like a little mini version of 2D Con, where instead of like video games, it's all board games. So we are in the main entrance area, basically, and we have a bunch of board games set up over here. We just finished our game of D&D. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, it was like my first official D&D. I played once before, but I didn't play the whole thing. And this one I played fully, so it was pretty good, pretty easy. But I was kind of confused, and Titi helped me a lot with the dices and like how to play. So
it was very long. It was 2.5 hours, so it's definitely not a short game to play.
Yeah.
But yeah, we had a lot of fun.
It was the first thing we found, and we're like, okay, got roped into it because they need more players. We're like, okay, sure, why not? So now we're gonna go check out some other board games that we want to check out. But yeah, this is definitely the smaller thing. It was pretty cool that everyone's just into here playing card games or board games. So that's pretty cool. How was it? Too easy for you? Did you play probably harder? D&D? Alright, let's go play. Let's go find some other games to play, Titi. Alright, Titi picked one. You got one.
I feel so Chinese right now.
You are Chinese. Which one?
We're half.
I think we're playing.
No, I have 21 AC out of 5.
Oh, okay. I was like, damn.
I don't think you go up to 25.
Ooh.
I'm a snake. So
Animal.
the one that's a snake is just like a general.
Hey, it does say snake. Find out. Nah. Okay, I gotta get mine.
So yeah.
And then I can send that thing for 4 points.
Yay!
This black one for these ones, this white one for these ones, and then this one for this one. That's a wild. So
We did go to one of the room parties. I forgot what it's called, but they were giving out free pancakes, which is pretty good, and they had a lot of snacks and like retro, like stuffed animals and games. But the other ones, there wasn't really anything going on, and the rest upstairs are 21 plus, and my brother's not old enough, so I was like, oh, whatever. Let's chill, let's chill. We just wish there was like more stuff to do. But it's just board games. But we love board games anyways, but it's probably nice to take a break because our brain like goes to overload learning all the new games, and then it takes a while to play. So it's good to get breaks. So we take a lot of breaks, and then we randomly meet new people. So that's fun. On to the next game. But yeah, for Friday I feel like it was not as much people, and then Saturday the parking lot was more full and it was hard to find a parking spot. So yeah, I think Saturday has more people. Really? I chose last time.
oh, I chose donut shop.
Oh yeah, you did. So back over here. I don't know, let's look at people and then see if we can randomly join people. Alright, Titi, what day is it today?
Today is Saturday, the 1st, I believe. Yes, the 1st of February. It's day 2 of 2D Con Unplugged, and we are here. It's very hard to find parking this time, so there's a lot more people here this time.
Yeah.
Very busy out here.
Yep, I agree.
Play board games.
I play board games. Me and my little brother are back at it at 2D Con, and we're just looking for more games to play. Last night we stayed up here until like 1 a.m. We're very tired. So, but we played a lot of good games, so we're looking for some more fun. But yeah, I like it when we find like other people that teach us how to play the game, so that we don't have to learn the rules. Then it's faster that way. So.
You get more gold, and with this gold you buy power, right? So like if I were to spend 2 gold, I could change out one of these ones, and then I would change this one out. So instead of this, I get 3 gold instead of 1 gold.
Alright, since we've been here, we've only played like one board game called Dice Forgers. It was pretty cool, but it took some learning as well, you know. When we always learn a new board game, it's confusing. And we met 2 random people, and we're like, oh, you wanna play together? And we're like, sure, okay, cool. So we just got paired up, and then just 4 of us all playing. So I won, so yay. So I'm happy to win, but then we realized we were kind of playing it wrong, but whatever, you know. You learn as you go for next time. And now we're on to this next game called Hibachi. So I'm gonna make my little brother figure it out, and then we're gonna play that. The board game of choice. We saw somebody play it, we thought it looked cool. So now we gotta figure out what we gotta do.